I'm out here in Kansas driving I-70 westbound, and we're dealing with some a little bit of high winds. So I want to do an educational video about the high winds. If you're a new truck driver or you're an experienced truck driver, hopefully this video will help you out. And remember, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos like this every day trying to help you learn and teach you something CDL school will not teach you. Okay, let's give it a